Question number 4. The wheel of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each. The wheel of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each. Then how many complete revolution does each wheel in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed 66 kilometer? Let us suppose that solution diameter of a wheels 80 centimeter. So radius of a wheels equal to diameter upon 2. 80 centimeter upon 2, 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. D, and this is a diameter and this is a radius. Radius R equal to 40 centimeter. Then speed of a car equal to 66 kilometer per hour. So time taken by 10 minutes. Time is 10 minutes. We know that about the time, distance and speed chapter, same unit. Then we solve this question. Different unit, we never solve this question. Firstly, we convert to same unit. So how to convert minute to hour? Then minute to hour, hours convert 10 upon में 60. 10 minutes upon में 60. 1 upon में 6 hours. Then speed unit and time unit will be same. Now we solve this question. Distance equal to speed multiple of time. Speed equal to 66 km per hour and time will be 1 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 11 kilometer per hour. Now according to question, the wheel of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed 66 km per hour? Then we change the unit of the distance kilometer to centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Now total distance equal to 11 multiple of 1 lakh equal to 11 lakhs centimeter. Complete in diameter. How many complete revolution? Complete revolution equal to total distance upon 1 revolution of a car or wheel. 11 lakhs 11 lakhs upon 1 revolution of a car means circle. Perimeter of the circle 2 pi r. 2 value of 5, 22 upon 7. Radius of the wheel 40 centimeter. So 11 lakhs multiple of 7 denominator we convert to also jump 11 lakhs multiple of 7 to multiple of 22 multiple of 40. Cancel out 11 2 ja 1 10,000 multiple of 7 70,000 upon 2 2 ja 4 4 4 ja 60 70,000 divided by 60 table of 61 ja 60 62 ja 32 63 ja 64 ja 64 10 zero not subtraction carry 7 10 subtraction 4 6 cancel out 48 5. 1 revolution is 1 revolution equal to the tire wheel distance will covered. The tire wheel distance will be covered 1 revolution for 4,375. 4,375. Now this is the answer. Answer in the following justify the choice. Take the correct answer. In the following justify the choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of a circle, option A 2 units, option B pi units, option C 4 unit, and option D 7 unit. Now solution we know that area of a circle equal to pi r square and circumference or perimeter of a circle equal to 2 pi r. According to question, perimeter of a circle equal to area of a circle. Then the value of perimeter of a circle 2 pi r equal to area of a circle pi r square pi cancel out 1 r cancel out 2 equal to r. So radius of a circle is 2 centimeter. Then the option number 1 will be correct answer.